In 2025, many homeowners are asking themselves, how can I move from my starter home to my dream home without taking on massive debt or sacrificing my financial security? The answer often lies in leveraging equity and using a strategic approach to financing. In this video, we'll break down the step-by-step process of how you can trade up to your dream home, using smart strategies that minimize risk and maximize your potential for success. Let's start with equity and appreciation, two of the most powerful tools at your disposal. Over time, the value of your home may have increased. If you've been in your property for several years, there's a good chance you've built up significant equity. This equity can act as the foundation for your next move. The idea is simple. Use the equity in your current home to either pay for part of your next home's down payment or even fully finance your next property. Home appreciation can be the golden ticket when upgrading your living situation. As your home's value rises, you can borrow against that equity and use it to get into a larger, more desirable property. Now let's talk about how to access that equity. One of the best ways is through a bridge loan. Bridge loans are short-term loans that allow you to access the equity in your current property before it's sold, giving you the funds needed to purchase your dream home. You can secure your new home before selling your current one, giving you the flexibility to move quickly when the right property comes along. The key to making a bridge loan work is ensuring you've lined up a buyer for your current home, or that the market conditions will allow for a quick sale. Another strategy is equity swaps, where you swap your existing property for a more valuable one, while avoiding a lot of the traditional steps of the buying and selling process. With equity swaps, you essentially leverage the value of your current home to trade up to your next property. You can often do this with minimal cash down and avoid the long waiting periods associated with the standard sale purchase process. Delayed purchases are another useful tool when trading up. If you're not in a hurry to sell your current home but want to buy your dream home as soon as possible, delayed purchases allow you to put an offer on a new home and purchase it without worrying about your current home's sale. You can secure the new property while working on selling your current one. This approach offers flexibility and reduces the pressure to sell before you buy. When it comes to financing your next move, it's essential to understand the timing and the steps involved. Let's break it down into a simple roadmap. First, build equity. Start by maximizing the equity in your current home. If your home's value has appreciated significantly, this can be a great opportunity to tap into that equity. Secure financing. Whether through a bridge loan, equity swap, or delayed purchase, secure the financing that allows you to make an offer on your new home while your old one is still in the process of being sold. Sell your current home. Once your new home is secured, sell your existing home. By this time, you'll have the funds from the sale, along with any profits, to help cover the costs of your new property. Move into your dream home. With the financing, sale proceeds, and equity you've built up, you'll be able to make the move to your ideal property without having to overextend yourself financially. Now, let's dive into some real-life examples. Meet Mark, a homeowner who had built up significant equity in his 1,800 square foot home over 5 years. He found his dream home, a 3,000 square foot property that was $100,000 more than his current home. Mark used a bridge loan to access his home's equity and put a down payment on the new home before selling his current property. Once the new property was secured, he listed his old home, and within 30 days, the sale was complete. Mark was able to move into his dream home with minimal stress and little out-of-pocket cost. Another real-world scenario involves Samantha, who used an equity swap to transition from her starter home to a property on the beach. By leveraging her home's increasing value, she was able to work with a real estate agent to trade her home for a larger one without the need for a traditional sale. She closed on the new property in less than 45 days. What you can learn from these stories is that trading up is more about timing and using your equity effectively than it is about having huge amounts of cash on hand. With the right financing options in place and a solid understanding of how the market works, you can make the transition to your dream home in a smooth and financially sound way. So, if you're thinking about upgrading to your dream home but feel like you don't have enough money to make it happen, start by looking at the equity in your current property and exploring financing options like bridge loans, equity swaps, and delayed purchases. Ready to take the next step? Visit phoenixfunded.com to find out how we can help you secure financing to trade up to your dream home today.